¡Hey! ¿Qué tal? Bienvenidos a otra lección de español. And today we're going to learn about expressions with animals. Yeah, another video about expressions. Yes. It's really important. There'll be more different videos about different subjects, but I've been wanting to practice make you learn these ones first, all these expressions, because they are so useful. We use them so often that you will benefit you from this. So let's go for it. Let's start. Vamos a empezar. Bienvenidos. Spanish with Chris. First expression, primera expresión. Tener vista de lince. Tener vista de lince. To have the eyesight of a lynx. You see very well. You can see things from very far away. Tienes vista de lince. To be a hen. To be a hen. Ser un gallina. Ser un gallina. So to be a coward. To be a coward. Estar en la edad del pavo. Estar en la edad del pavo. Pavo, turkey. Right. So what it means is to be, so literally is to be in the turkey's age. To be in the turkey's age. So for example, teenagers. This is for teenagers. You know, teenagers sometimes, they don't listen to their parents. They just want to be on the street with their friends, misbehaving a lot of times. So it's that, teenagers, but that's it. They are in the turkey's age. Están en la edad del pavo. To be like a goat. I already taught you this one before, but let's repeat it again. Estar como una cabra. A goat. So if you are like a goat, it means that you are a little bit crazy, okay? So, estoy como una cabra. I'm like a goat. I'm a bit crazy. Estoy loco. Ser una rata. Ser una rata. To be a rat. Very offensive, so be careful with it. What it means is to be a person that very selfish, okay? A person that don't share anything with anyone. It wants to keep everything for themselves, okay? They don't care about anyone else, and they won't help you. If you need money, they won't help you, okay? Even though they can, okay? See the ears of the wolf. See the ears of the wolf. Verle las orejas al lobo. I think in English it's something like to see the writing on the wall, I think. But so what it means is to see danger. To see that something could happen, okay? For example, you're at work. You're supposed to be working, but you're on your phone, using your phone, okay? You're checking Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, or watching my videos. And then your boss comes in and sees you on your phone and not working, and then you are like, hi, hola. But then your boss doesn't say anything, or maybe tells you, leave your phone alone and go back to work, okay? Deja tu móvil y vuelve al trabajo. So, but during those seconds of silence before your boss told you to leave your phone alone, you're like, okay, danger, I might get fired. But no, you only saw the danger. You saw the ears of the wolf. Le viste las orejas al lobo. You saw danger. You could have lost your job, which would have been a terrible thing. Well, things like that, okay? So when you see danger, you can say ver las orejas al lobo. And the last one, tener memoria de pez. To have the memory of a fish. I don't know, have you seen Nemo? Right, I don't know if you have. If you have, remember this one. She kept forgetting things. She would forget things instantly, okay, within 1 or 2 seconds. Well, I don't know if fish truly have really bad memory. I don't know. I'm not a fish expert. But in Spanish, we use this expression for someone who has very bad memory. So that's it, to have bad memory. Tener memoria de pez. And that's it for today. That's the lesson. Thank you very much. Gracias. Espero que hayáis aprendido. Espero que hayáis subjuntivo, okay? Aprendido. I hope you have learned. And remember to subscribe. Suscríbete. Give me a like. Dale a like. Follow me on my social networks. Seguidme en mis redes sociales. And that's it. Thank you very much. Gracias por vuestro soporte. Y os veo en la próxima lección. Gracias.